Can we chat in ClickUp? Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of emails, Slack messages, and Google Docs? Feeling like your team is constantly ping-ponging information between different platforms? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into a tool that promises to be your digital command center, ClickUp. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's ask a question. Can this all-in-one platform truly replace your beloved chat apps? Let's face it, we love our chat apps. They're instant, they're fun, and they've become an integral part of our daily workflow. But what if there was a way to combine the speed and ease of chat with the structure and organization of a project management tool? Enter ClickUp Chat. Now, you might be thinking, another chat platform? Really? Trust me, ClickUp Chat is different. It's not just about sending messages back and forth. It's about creating conversations that drive action. Imagine having a chat directly linked to a task, where you can discuss details, assign subtasks, and track progress without switching tabs. It's like having your team's brain in one place. But let's break it down. What exactly can you do with ClickUp Chat? Well, for starters, it's more than just a messaging tool. It's a collaboration hub. You can create group chats for specific projects, one-on-one chats for quick questions, or even private channels for sensitive discussions. And the best part? You can access all your chats from anywhere, whether you're on your computer, phone, or tablet. But wait, there's more. ClickUp Chat also integrates seamlessly with other ClickUp features. Need to share a file? No problem. Want to create a task from a chat message? Done. How about assigning a task to a team member right in the conversation? You got it. It's like having a personal assistant built into your chat. Now, let's talk about organization. We've all been there, endless scrolling through chat history to find that one important message. With ClickUp Chat, you can easily search through conversations, filter messages by date or sender, and even create custom views to stay on top of what matters most. But is it really as good as dedicated chat apps? Let's be honest, there are some features that ClickUp Chat might still be missing. Things like video calls, screen sharing, and advanced integrations with other tools might not be as robust as what you're used to. However, ClickUp is constantly evolving, and new features are being added all the time. So, should you make the switch to ClickUp Chat? The answer depends on your team's needs and preferences. If you're looking for a way to streamline your workflow, improve collaboration, and reduce context switching, ClickUp Chat is definitely worth considering. But if you rely heavily on features like video conferencing or advanced integrations, you might want to stick with your current chat app for now. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to give it a try. ClickUp offers a free plan, so you can test it out with your team and see if it's the right fit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy chatting.